I lit out from your back door, kicked an old can 50 miles or more, written right there on the side of the can. There's a little bird of heaven right here in your hand. I looked up and I looked back, walked 100 miles on the railroad track. Alls I can tell from where I stand, there's a little bird of heaven right here in my hand. It's hard to fly, and broken wings I lost my ticket to the promised land. Little bird of heaven right here in my hand. So toss it up or pass it round, pay mind to what you're carrying around. Oh, keep it close, hold it while you can. There's a